So this is the new ATC 422AR flip-flop timer controller, and the great thing about this timer is that we can control it with hours, minutes, or seconds. So I've got hours on this and seconds on here. Well, it's actually, this timer is, this side is actually set for 1 whole minute, so 3/10 of a minute, it's about 20 seconds or so. And you change all that with these little dip switches. I'm not going to get into that right now, it's all in the manual. But this controller actually replaces, this controller replaces the old ATC 422 that you might be familiar with, right up there. So this is a 1/16 DIN size, so it exactly fits in the spot where this old Watlow controller used to sit, and then I took all the other roll control out. So this is going to go through an alternating relay to the roll control, and it'll flip-flop clockwise and counterclockwise. If we wire it up correctly, you might notice the little pins on the bottom. That's an 8-pin connector, and then there's the 8-pin with all the screw connectors. Some of these, the screw connectors are on the inside and some of them are on the outside. You have to be real careful that you're hooking things up to the correct output and input.